SABELT seatbelt range is one of the largest in the market and meets many different needs for both open wheels and saloon car application. The range is made of three main groups of products. Gold Series, top of the range, designed for specific motorsport application, custom-made, high performance, lightweight, and a high price. Silver Series is the middle range, perfect average between performance, weight, and price, always in stock. The silver range is made of 6 sets of belts, 3 buckles type, 2 types of alloy adjusters, and up to 20 customizations options. Steel Series is the entry level, high safety standards, made in Italy like any other SABELT belt, price competitive. The steel range is made of 7 sets of belts, 2 buckles type, 4 types of steel adjusters, and up to 20 customizations options. Speaking of steel range, we will have a new formula entry level. It's a 6-point with a new double hole bracket with 2 diameters to fit different bolt dimensions. It's designed for entry-level Formula cars, like Formula Renault, Formula Ford, F4, and so on, as a replacement of old or expired belts on that series, or for new Formula entry-level series. Competitive price, always available in stock. To complete the 2021 product line, we will have 2 new SFI spec belts for the American market, one with rotary camlock and one latch and link. Obviously, there will be 6 sets of clubman belts, ECE homologated, and accessories like toe straps, shoulder pads, windows net, and so on. Roberto Gastaldi, the seatbelt development manager, will now give you some technical details regarding the safety belt world. Roby?
Okay, thank you Adriano, thank you to everybody. We can start to say that SABELT racing harness approved according to last FIA 8853 standard release conform to strong requirements, high quality levels, and overcome severe testing conditions. The main homologation test is the crash test, with an impact speed that has to be at least of 67 kph and with an impact angle of 30 degrees and a peak deceleration of at least 60 g. Buckle and adjuster must have a braking load in axial tensile test over than 15 kN. All webbing types, including the crotch webbing, must have a braking load higher of 25 kN. Other than for crotch webbing loop, the braking load is reduced to 18 kN. Besides, for special basic material webbings different from classic polyester, the new standard release introduced a specific conditioning cycle in sequence of abrasion, water, warm, cold, and light, over than 700 hours of UV ray exposure. After that, the webbing has to maintain a residual braking load higher than 20 kN. In order to answer to market needs and customer requirements, SABELT developed 2 basic material webbing types, one nylon and one polyester, for professional and motorsport application. Achieved the highest number of the released homologation number, that is 12, and almost 100 related extensions. Achieved the homologation number 1 and currently supply the harness to 7 of F1 teams of 10. In the last year has developed the following new component: a buckle with integrated T-bar that is patented for saloon types and tested with Toyota WEC team. Professional endurance ergal buckles, one model developed with Audi and one model with Ferrari. Quick release aluminum twin star adjuster tested with Ferrari GTA team and adjustable steel tongue for lap straps. We thank you very much for your attention and we remain at your disposal for further needs and information.
Thank you, Roberto. Now let's talk about RacingNet. RacingNet family will grow in 2021 with 2 new products. In total, SABELT will have 3 RacingNet in range. Like for the belt, there will be a top of the range, middle and entry level, all FIA 8863 approved. The top of the range has an asymmetric triangle for an appropriate fitting, new buckle with a red push button, quick release. It has a metallic plate for an easy installation and it's mainly designed for the external side of the racing car. The middle range is suitable for both external and internal side of the racing car. It also has an asymmetric triangle and a metallic plate like the top of the range. There is a new entry-level racing net. It's mostly used for internal side of the car. It has a steel adjuster on the stripe, push-button OEM buckle, wrap around the bar fixing. We will complete the offer with the following product: steering wheel range and quick release. Now let's talk about prices. 2021 draft will be sent in the next days, and it will be on duty as of December the 1st, as usual. Like I said before, our prices are in line with the market and in line with the current SABELT price list. All the new items can be ordered on the stock order, November, and will be available between December and beginning of next year. Thank you very much for listening. I truly hope I will be able to visit you all soon.